Nageshwari's kitchen. Today we're going to be harvesting our baby potatoes from the ground, and my mom's going to cook the baby potatoes to make roasted baby potatoes. Today we are going to be harvesting our potatoes we grew.
So my kids were planting potatoes. Actually, I wanted to throw those potatoes, but they wanted to grow, and I have just given a spot which was not at all planned. It was full of rocks, and I have not even added potting mix. So they just actually this harvesting is a surprising gift for us. So they tried their best. They just put some potatoes, and the growth of these plants was really amazing.
Start,
So
Pamela.
mm, this is almost after, like, 2 months we are going to do the harvesting. My daughter was really
అది
happy,
రబ్బిష్ డా
and she was more excited to see
Wow!
the potatoes. You can see her smile. And actually, it's not only surprising for my kids, it's surprising for us as well. um,
I did this one.
because we have not cared at all to these
Oh.
potato plants. For watering also, like 2 days once or 3 days once only we used to pour it. And I think
చెవై
4 or 5 potatoes they planted with. So in that we got so much, nearly 2 kilos of potatoes we got. So maybe next year I will prepare proper soil mix and everything. Then I will try to plant more potatoes, and I will show you how much potatoes that I'm going to get. I'm actually exciting to plant more potatoes. This is a good lesson for us as well. In Melbourne weather, potatoes will grow really amazingly. Look at
It's the
the
biggest one.
happiness in her face. This is actually, I feel really happy. They are excited as well. So I always engage my kids in my gardening works, and to teach them the importance of gardening and organic vegetables. And even not only health wise, and also they come out, they do more physical activities. You touch the soil, you feel it.
So
So everything is really important. Normally we don't do all this stuff. When you work in garden only you will do this. So this is more important. So it always give more interest for them to grow own vegetables at
దట్స్
home.
ఓకే వెయిట్
Some potatoes, like nearly 2 to 3 potatoes, were spoiled. It was really soft. I don't know why. If you know the reason
அப்படி நோண்டி
why
பாரு
some of the potatoes were really soft, and we throwed that one. If you know the reason, please leave that in the comment section below, so everybody will get the benefit from those comments. And if you have come across any new methods to get more potatoes, please share that as well. Actually, my daughter, she just pulled all the plants, and the potatoes are in the ground still. So she left, and she got bored and she left. Then I started to dig.
there's the raw
So these
potato.
potato were still. Actually, we need this spot. We are going to plant mandarin
మనలా
here.
కొట్టొచ్చా
That I bought. You might have watched my previous video. So we bought more
Allora.
potatoes. That I mean, we bought more plants. So we wanted to plant mandarin here. That's why we are taking out these potatoes really faster. Maybe if we left these potatoes for few more weeks, we might have got more potatoes, and also larger potatoes. These are all like a baby potato size. But I'm really happy. If you see the soil, it's full of rocks only. There is not much soil at all. So in this itself, you can see the potato growth. I was keep digging, and I was keep getting potatoes. and tiny, tiny, small baby potatoes. I was really happy, and my daughter was really happy as well. She wanted to plant more and she wanted to try more other vegetables as well. My son was in the class, that's why tuition class, that's why he was not here for harvesting. So I will show this video to him. He'll be really happy as well. See, this potato is spoiled. I think around three potatoes were spoiled. Most of them were close to the fencing side. It was spoiled. I'm not sure because this is the first time I'm growing potatoes in my garden. Not me, my kids. My kids grown these potatoes and fresh homegrown potatoes, and I made a roast out of this one. It tastes really, really amazing. So try growing potatoes. You don't have to work really hard. Potatoes will grow as it is. Even I have not even removed the weeds. It was just growing with weeds, and the growth is really amazing, surprising also. So you can try different varieties of potatoes. You need a loose soil and not like how I did. So don't do like this. Do it in a proper way. So these are all this much potatoes I got.
Yeah. So we had lots of potato and then a little bit got smashed. But luckily you have good ones on the other side.
So do you want to grow more vegetables in your garden?
I want to make potato smiley face with it. Oh, rocks are coming in.
Potato smiley.
I like the potato smiley.
Okay. So do you want to grow more veggies in your garden?
Yes. Because veggies help the world more and you get more food without buying food.
Okay.
And my mom's gonna cook the baby potatoes to make roasted baby potatoes.
So I have collected all the potatoes. This is around 2 kilos of potatoes. Some are bigger and most of them are baby potato size. I'm going to wash it thoroughly. Too much of soil is sticking in it. So I have taken a big pot and I'm washing this. I'm not going to throw this water in the sink. I'm going to pour this water to my plants. This is how I always collect the water when I wash my vegetables, when I wash my fish, um, green leaves, everything. So whatever I wash, mostly I will pour it to my garden. So just take out the washed potatoes in a separate container and pour this to your garden. Do not waste the water, and also more soil also there. So I'm just using this water to my seedlings first, then the leftover waters I'm using it to my other plants. So I'm trying some other Asian varieties vegetables. So I'm trying. If it is successful, I will definitely share this video. Add enough salt. I'm using rock salt here, and pour enough water as well. We are going to cook this for at least for 15 minutes. So the potatoes has to be 3/4 cooked. Do not cook till mash consistency. So cook only 3/4. So while it's cooking, let's start to prepare the masalas. Add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We are going to roast this in a medium flame. So do not burn these spices. It's really important step. So make sure the flame is on medium. Roast this until the lentils, the urad dal is turned to a golden color. So you're going to roast it until you get that consistency. So while you're roasting, you can feel the aroma. It will be fully filled with aroma. So whenever you make this, you can store this masala as well if you wish, but the fresh masalas always taste better. If you are running out of time, you can prepare this masala and store it. To this, turn off the flame and add 1.5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. You can use dry coconut as well. Try to avoid fresh coconut. Just mix it for 30 seconds. Make sure the flame is turned off. Now let it cool down, then transfer this into a mixer jar or blender. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust it according to your spicy level. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt as well. Grind this into a fine powder, not too fine, just roughly ground powder. So the consistency should be like this. This is ready. Let's check the potatoes. So as I said, it should be 3/4 cooked. So if you think the potatoes are too big, you can always chop them into pieces. Let's start to roast it. I'm using the same pan. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. You can use any oil. To this, add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. So it has to fry properly. To this, I'm adding 1 green chilies and 2 strings of curry leaves. Once everything is cooked, then make sure the flame is low. The flame must be on low. Then add all the ground masalas. Just mix it for 30 seconds, not more than that. Otherwise, the spices will become black in color and it will burn. So just mix for 30 seconds and then immediately add in the cooked potatoes. So you can, after mixing the potato into the masala, you can turn on the flame. I'm sorry, you after mixing all the potatoes, you can increase the flame to medium and then we are going to roast this for at least 10 minutes. So the potatoes has to roast in all the sides and until you get the golden color, the crispy texture to your potatoes, we are going to roast it. You can add this into oven as well. If you want to roast it in oven, you can do that as well. Just coat all the masalas to the potatoes. You don't have to cook it. You can just mix all oil, green chili, curry leaves and the ground masala. Just mix it and then add into your tray and then you can roast this in the oven for 180 degrees for at least 10 to 15 minutes and or until you get that golden in color. So you can do that as well. I'm doing it in the cooktop today. You can do it either cooktop or oven. So it's your choice and based on your availability and time. Mix everything together. Do not mix too much. Just mix like 1 minute once or 2 minutes once, and you have to just handle it carefully. Don't break the potatoes. That's why you have to cook until 3/4 done. If you cook too much while mixing, it will become like a mashed potatoes. So we don't want that. We want a roasted whole potatoes. So you can have these roasted potatoes for your side dish, for yogurt rice, rasam rice, or sambar rice, any variety rice. This potato roast will go well for tamarind rice, tomato rice, lemon rice. It's the best combo. If you want to make it for sandwich, you can just roast these potatoes, have some pieces into your bread, and add some salad. Then your potato sandwich also will be ready. and you can make some wraps as well. Just add some potatoes into the wrap and add some salads, and you can make yummy wraps as well. So try different ways. Just after making this roasted potatoes, you can make it with any varieties of potatoes, not only baby potatoes. You can use big potatoes, just chop them into pieces and then try this recipe. You can use this masala for other curries as well. I will definitely share that in my future videos. So this will be amazingly tasty and yummy baby potato roast. It's almost ready. You can sprinkle some coriander leaves if you wish, but I don't want to do that because it will become soft. I want a crispy textured potatoes. That's why I'm not adding any coriander leaves to this recipe. If you want, you can definitely add it at the end.
Grow more vegetables in your garden and stay healthy. So we prepared some baby potato roast today, and it's from our garden. So let's try it. It's nice, but a little bit spicy.
Okay.
If you like this video, please thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I'll see you in another video.